Oh, they are absolutely magnificent out there. The old sun barrier for plants. Just look at that skyline out there. You see there? Clear blue, 23, 24 degrees. Just look at that. You know what that means? That's right. Let's get it out there. Right. Let's get that glass out. Have a different one today. An old banger here, alright. Look at that. The old Grolsch. How old is it? Around about 20 years old, that glass. No tripe. Right. I've been into Aldi yesterday and I picked up a bottle of this. The old gold ale. Used to be called Golden Goose. Used to be £1 a bottle, 99 pence. It's reduced down to 125 from 149 now. 4.1%, 500ml there. The old Lidl drink. You have a read of that? You read it there. That'll do then. Let's crack it up. Oh, hang on, look at that. Don't get many with that on top here. Golden Goose here. Pardon me, I didn't have a drink yet. Bar in there. 500ml, I should just get it all in there. Absolutely magnificent outside. 23, 24. It's too hot for me out there, alright. Anything over 21's a waste, if you ask me. There it is, all in there. Told you to get it all in there. And let's drop out of there. We're not bother with that bit there. It's a bit thin on colour, isn't it? It's not a very deep colour like them gold nails I had. Hang on a minute. To say Haverwood. This is Haverwood. Yeah. I can't remember what others one now. Never mind. Many bubbles knocking about there. I'm going to zoom in there. Oh, wow, look at all them bubbles there. I know I should get in sunlight, so I'm going to do a quick jump up here so sun gets in it. Look at them bubbles there. Can you see them there? Look at all them bubbles. You don't want a lot of gas in your beer. No doubt about that. Well, that just looks magnificent, doesn't it? Eh? Look at that there. Right. Enough of the admiring it. Let's have a taste of it. There's the old head there. Looks a bit creamy, that, doesn't it? Quite a bit of cream coming out of that head. Let's have a look here there. I'm not getting a lot of gas out of that. That's what you want. You can see how it bubbles there, but it's not very gassy and good. Let's have a bit more there. You know something? It's a high top end hops. And it just disappears to nothing. That's good, that. That's a good lager, that there. There's a little bit of bitterness at top. Goes down to about there. And then it just disappears. That's good as well. A bit more. See all that gas is flying about. I'm not tasting any of that gas. You can see there's plenty of bubbles there. I don't think it's cold enough neither. That's been in fridge a good 24 hours, you know. What am I whispering for? It's a nice lager, but it's not cold enough. I don't get it. Is fridge going out? Nice all top end flavour. Disappears in the middle and goes away. That is fine. That. Look in that fridge there. It's not going on here. That's warm. That's fresh one. That's fresh into. Got in yesterday. The temperature of the fridge is 7 degrees, isn't it? Hang on a minute, what's it saying here? 7 degrees. You can hear it running it back there. Never mind. Oh, them bubbles. Yeah, I'm not tasting any. That's what you want. It's not very crisp neither. It's all about that top end flavour, which is alright around here. $1.25 a bottle. Gold ale, better known as Golden Goose. Nice flavour there. Yes. It says refreshing, full bodied. Well, there's plenty of flavour in it. I'm not getting no refreshment out of it. I'm not getting none at all. But that is a nice lager nonetheless. I'm going to give that a 7 out of 10. No messing. Get that next one on go. Right, let's try that last can of bottle of that. Lid over again, there. Pardon me, there. Pardon. Birra Italiana lager. £1.49, 500ml from Lidl there. There's the old ingredients, whatever you want to call it. So right. This has been in fridge. Oh, look at that one. Got the hops on that one. See hops there? Bit of an hopper. This what I was saying there. Can't remember now. How that was. It's been in the same amount of time. Oh, as the Golden Goose. 26 hours pouring there. Don't want gas. $1.49 a bottle. Steady Eddie. There's a little drop left. We'll get that in. We had it overflowed. If we do that and circle in the middle there, that's it. Pushes that lightweight head out in there. It's a very lightweight bubbles there. Very high pitched smell to that. We'll get you over to the sunlight and have a proper look. A lot of bubbles there, but a lovely golden light colour. Absolutely lovely that, isn't it? You see it there? Right. Birra Italiano. Birra Italiana. That's right. Not many bubbles there. We don't want no gassy lager around here. That's how it tastes. I'm going to have another taste of that. That's better. Bit of reminiscence of Golden Goose there. Reminiscence. A bit of whatever that word is. Oh, no, I don't know. A bit of leftover goose in back of throat. I mean, affected flavour there. It's very light, this lager. Getting a bit of flavour here, and it just disappears. No gas whatsoever. Light. It's not cold enough though. Very light on flavour. It's not as crispy as last time I had one of them neither. It ain't cold neither. 26 hours it's been in that fridge. It's nowhere near cold enough. Check this fridge again. It's saying 7 degrees there. It's gone up to 8. 8 degrees in here. Messing about these numbers there. I'll do, I think they do more in our fridge. Light on colour, light on flavour. It's not as crispy as last time I had it. It isn't cold enough. That crispiness isn't there at all. That last time I had it, that's disappointing now. Really enjoyed it last time. Lovely pinty one. That ain't as good. Birra Italiana. Have they changed method of making it, eh? Yeah, it's a bit... and a bit of boldness and all now. To have that before when I had it before. I've done a review of that lager before. I'm mightily impressed with it last time I had it, but it's not like that now. There's no crispness to it, there's no refresh to it, it's not cold enough either. There's a little bit of flavour, really light, and it just disappears. There's a bit of bloatedness, a bit of gassy coming through here. This isn't right, this, I'll tell you. I'm impressed with that. Bought a couple of them. And from since I had it last time, I bought a couple. It might have been a mistake. This might be a bad batch. Yeah, I'm not impressed with that. I'm going to have to do a voiceover. A little bit of extra video there. That lager tastes nothing like last time I had it. Well, a few months back I had it, but it were really lovely, light and crispy. Lovely lager. Tastes nothing like it now. There's something wrong with that lager there. The only difference is it hasn't been in freezer for an hour. So I'm going to put it in freezer for an hour, see if it improves the situation. Right, back in a minute there. There's some deers over there. Yeah, there's 3 deer there. Look. Zoomer in there. Right, let's try that last one. It's been an hour in freezer. Not impressed at all with that last one there. Last one here. Pour in there. Been in freezer there. Really ice cold on hands. I'm expecting a massive increase here. Oh, this is no longer my number one beer. Smells a bit... plenty of bubbles here. Very thin head. Let's have a look. I'm not messing now. Oh, that is really ice cold. It's almost foaming ice, that. That's how cold it is. Perfect temperature, that one. Let's have a look here. The flavour is almost non-existent. It's just there, then it disappears. I'm not bloated on this one. I'm not getting a lot of gas. You don't want no gas. But the flavour's right at top. There's no there at all. It's not. I'm not getting that crispiness. When I did a review of this a few months back, the crispiness was through roof. It was an absolute magnificent pint. I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. Birra Italiana. That's what it is there. Apart from that ice coldness to it, I'm not getting the flavours really not there. The crisp is not there. It's not as gassy. I'm not bloated on this one like I was last one. They're all from the same batch, I presume, because I picked them up at the same time. It's disappointing. It's very disappointing. This is in no way, shape or form the same lager I had before when I did a review of that lager, and I'm sure I give it a 9 out of 10. Light, crispy, magnificent it was. Not anymore. This is wrong here. Maybe my sense of taste has failed. Pardon me, a bit of gas there. You don't want gas. Pardon me. That crisp in there. Extremely light on the flavour. Either my sense of taste has gone, or they've changed recipe here. It ain't brewing. Brewing's gone to pot there. I would not pay £1.50 a bottle for that. Not the way it tastes. I wouldn't pay it. That's less than £1 a bottle, that. There's something gone wrong with that, alright. I'm not impressed. I'm going to give that a 3 out of 10. There's quite a few in fridge. I hope they're all not same as that. Right. Disappointingly. Cheerio. Right. I did do some of them golden ales from Sainsbury's. £9 for 6 bottles. The flavours were left, right and centre. Mightily impressed with them lagers. That might be a reason why my taste buds expect better now. That might be a reason I'm getting no flavour out of what used to be my number one lager there, Birra Italiana. Something's gone wrong, alright. Maybe it was them golden ales. I'd have picked some up, but they put them back up to £12, so I didn't pick them up. I got my number one lager instead. That's one explanation for it. Oh, it's just garbage. Anyway, cheerio, the view here. That's what it's all about, that. Look at this lot here. Bit of greenery, clear blue and a bit of sun. Why would you want to be inside? Makes no sense to me, Right.